Hello everyone, this video for one of my subscriber. This seat is not laid down anymore, so it has broken latch. So when you operate the latch, it's not do any good. So how you fix that? So there is a way to fix this. I have one of the videos, look for in the description. I'm gonna have a link for that, how to fix it. But he's asking me if I was able to lay it down without of it, because I haven't showed this in my previous video. So it's basically we need to remove this plastic piece. There's a four tab on each side. Don't break them. So you can push with a screwdriver on the side over here like this and prop it open. I already did open this, but first time I didn't know how to do this and I have break this, so I have to use the special rubber cement to glue them back. Next thing, when you get inside, I'll show you. See this step on the left side? It's hard to explain which one. It's right in the middle, right there. See that broken piece? It's right on the middle, right there. This piece right here, and that's where we're gonna push it. You can use a screwdriver, flat screwdriver. I use a knife, and now we're gonna push it. Gosh, how to show you guys, huh? I wish to I got another hand to show you, but anyway. So push that lever in the middle. It's really easy. That's it. So it's pushed down right now. See, right now that's latch pushed forward in the middle. Right now you can simply I know it's kind of tricky to see everything, but there's no other way to show you. There, this lever up. I gotta push it down with a screwdriver and you can release the latch. I know it's a short video and specifically for those who need it. So thanks so much. This was GLK350 Mercedes, how to release the latch. And of course I'm not gonna close this back anymore. I'm going to keep this open. Thanks for watching.